Hello all, I welcome you to one another session with From-myStudio. In this video, we are going to see how to paint different types of leaves in watercolors. Let us start with the basic leaves. The first one is the very basic leaf, for which you have to start with the tip of the brush, push and lift. Now we have completed one side, do the action on the other side also. The second type of leaf is a wiggly weave of the wavy leaf. So you have to wiggle your brush or wave your brush to get the slightly uneven ends. The next type of leaf is also a wiggly leaf, but it has a lot of uneven ridges. So you have to keep doing this action many times to achieve this uneven edges. The next type of leaf is the grass type of leaf. This can be used for grasses, seaweeds and all. So the basic technique is start from the tip of the brush, push and lift. This one is the basic first leaf, but then you have to push it for a little longer. This is a little lengthy leaf. Let us move to the berry type leaves. Now what I'm doing a oval or a round structure which is a bit off, and I'm leaving a bit of highlight. The next one is kind of similar, but we are going to draw an oval or teardrop kind of leaf, and we are going to draw a small stem. The third type are tiny buds. You can draw multiple circles and join them with stems. The next one is kind of similar, but it is a complex leaf. We are going to have this small teardrop kind of leaf, and we are going to draw a complex leaf. This is kind of the leaf we can see in the gulmohar trees. So little oval or little teardrop kind of leaves, and it is attached to the center. And the next one is also similar, but the stem is a bit longer. This can also be seen in you can use this for any fillers if you're drawing some flower bunches or bushes. And the last one are few twigs. These can also be used for fillers. With these basic shapes in mind, we are going to use them to draw complex leaves. So I am now using the leaf model number 1, the basic leaf, and we are going to see how this leaf is attached to the stem and how it can be achieved. So I am going to have a fast forward version of this drawing these leaves. We are going to use the patterns we studied above, and we are going to create leaves and branches. Next is a set of wavy leaves which can be used for seaweeds, any grass type of leaves. So we are going to use the same, you have to wave the brush a little longer, press them and lift. So this is like the kind of, the plants we can find near the ocean or water bodies. The next one is a grass type, the leaves with small stems. You can use this for any lily or, not the water lily. Any grassy type of small bushes, you can use this. Another type of leaf. This is nothing but you have to just create a lot of dots as in a cone shaped or a triangle shaped or oval shape, and we have to connect them to the stems. These can also be used as fillers. These can be the corn buds or anything like that. This can be used as fillers when you're drawing a bunch of flowers or a wreath or anything like that. The next one is a heart-shaped leaf. This can be used for drawing any climber or lily or lotus plants, and the size and the shape might vary slightly depending on the plant. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you're interested in my content. Thank you very much.